Hello, I'm Inky Willis. Welcome to Art Practice. We're going to be practicing wax resist painting using just paper, a white crayon and basic watercolour paints. If you don't have a white crayon, you could use a plain white candle instead if you have one. Also, you don't have to use really good quality art paper for this. I'm just using cheap printer paper. Wax resist painting is all about creating areas of drawing which literally resist the paint. Wax and paint are not friends. Wax stops the paint being absorbed by the paper and it creates a really cool effect. Wax resist painting is something I like to combine with mixed media painting and drawing to help create really interesting textures in my work. I'll show you how I use wax resist in my artwork in a little while, but first, let's get practicing. First, fold your paper as shown to make 8 sections. If you find it easier, you could draw the 8 sections instead. In each section, use your wax crayon to draw shapes and patterns. I'm going to totally leave this up to you, so try any pattern or design ideas that you like. There's not much to see at this stage, as you can tell. Now see what happens when you paint over the crayon. I'm keeping my paint watery because that really helps it not to settle on the wax. Notice how those wax crayon marks show through. They push the paint away. I love this because there's always that element of surprise. When I'm drawing with the wax crayon, I'm kind of guessing where the marks are going and I'm trying to remember where I've already drawn and I'm just hoping for the best. So it's always so interesting when I see the paint go on and it's always a bit unpredictable, but I like that. if you use Wax Resist in your own artwork, I'd love to see. So if your adult wants to post your work on Instagram or Twitter, then they can feel free to tag me and I'll check out your work. Keep scribbling!